Welcome to CSE Guru. In this session, we will discuss how to implement a C program to check whether a given number is prime number or not. So what is prime number? A number divided by 1 and itself is called prime number, other than 0 and 1. That is, the number should be greater than 0 and it should be divided by 1 and the number itself is called prime number. Okay. So now we will write a C program. So first include the header file hash include stdio.h. Then include the main function, and here we are going to declare three variables. The first variable is n. What is the number we are going to enter? That we will get from the variable n. I is the variable we are going to use in for loop. And flag is the variable we are going to set for condition either 0 or 1. If the flag value is 0, in the sense that particular number is a prime number, and if the flag value is not 0, that is 1, in the sense the number is not a prime number. That is the meaning. Okay. So initially we are going to set the flag value as 0. So here declare three variables: int n, I is the looping variable, and flag is the variable we are going to check for the condition. Okay. And this flag will be like a boolean variable. The value will be either 0 or 1. Okay. 0 in the sense we are considering that particular number is a prime number. 1 in the sense not a prime number. Okay. Next, enter the value of n. Using the printf statement, display the message, enter the number. Okay. Now we need to enter a number, and for this number only we are going to check whether it is a prime number or not. Then using the scanf statement, %d ampersand n. Okay. Next, we know that if the value is 0 or 1 in the sense, if the entered value is 0 or 1 in the sense, that particular number is not a prime number. Okay. So for 0 and 1, directly we will set the flag that is not a prime number. So if n equal to 0 or n equal to 1, in the sense, just set the flag condition as 1. So flag condition is 1 in the sense the particular number is not a prime number. Next, use the looping variable for, and inside the looping variable initialize I value is 2, because greater than 1 only we are going to check whether that particular number is a prime number or not. If it is less than 2, meaning is 0 and 1 in the sense that is not a prime number. Okay. So for I equal to 2, condition is I less than or equal to n by 2. Then I plus plus. Okay. I less than or equal to n by 2 and I plus plus. Inside the for loop, we are going to check the condition if n value modulus I value is equal to 0 in the sense. Okay. If n value modulus I value is 0 in the sense, set the flag value as 1. Okay. And then break from the loop. Okay. And this is a compound statement. So we have to include within curly bracket. This always you need to remember. Okay. Then, so this is the for loop condition. Okay. So here I value is I is 2, and until the condition I less than or equal to n by 2, we have to check. Okay. What we have to check? If n percentage I is 0 in the sense, set the flag to 1. So when you have set the flag to 1 in the sense, you have to break from the loop. Okay. Suppose if n modulus I is not equal to 0 in the sense, loop will continue. Okay. Until this condition fails. Okay. Next, out of the loop, we have to check if flag value is 0 in the sense. What is the meaning? Flag value is 0 in the sense, what is the message it has to print? Printf %d is a prime number. Okay. Just it has to print the message. Otherwise, suppose if flag value is not equal to 0 in the sense, what is the meaning? Flag value is 1. Okay. It is a boolean variable. So it has to print the message printf percentage D is not a prime number. Okay. See here, we have given percentage D here. So here we need to enter n variable. Same here also. Okay. N variable you need to enter. And this slash n you have to give within this here. Okay. Here also you have to include. That's it. The condition is over. Simply you have to include the return statement. So now we will check. So this is the code for C program to check whether the given number is a prime number. Now we will execute the code. See here, there is a warning. Here what we have done, here double quote is there. That's a mistake. Okay, here it should not be. Again run the code. So here we need to enter a number. Okay, for example, I will enter 2 itself. The number is 2. 2 is a prime number. 2 is a number divided by 1 and itself. We are entering a value 3 in the sense. 3 is a prime number. Suppose 4 if you are entering in the sense, 4 is not a prime number. Okay. And if you are checking 1 not 1, whether it is a prime number, yes, it is a prime number divided by 1 and itself. Next, 133, we will check it out whether it is a prime number. It's not a prime number. Okay. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. This is a prime number. Number divided by 1 and itself. So this is the simple code to check whether the given number is prime number or not. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.